Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to be reviewing the Purivon PelviTone. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a support for your pelvis or your butt. So as you can see, we have it here on Walmart, and then they haven't had any reviews yet. So as you can see, we have it here also on Trustpilot, which is Purivon. So as you can see, I'm happy that Alex is a refund, so 5-star. It's a miracle. 5-star, it really works. 5-star. Purchased the PelviTone. I'm very pleased with it. 5 stars. 5 stars. Loving this device. 3 stars. So they're 1 star. And that is basically it. So there are a lot of positive reviews about this product. So if you want to go ahead and try this out, I would advise you would. But if you really need help on your lower part of your body, I would advise you to consult a medical professional first before actually buying stuff online and stuff like this. So yeah, I would advise you to show this to your doctor first before actually buying it. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.